one is Jennifer. As you can see, I'm batch filming my advents. And we are on to day 17. So here is 17. Let's see what 17 says. Oh. Sometimes I don't want to pop out. Day 17 is dairy milk. And here it is. And how many candy canes can you spot? Too many to count. One. So far one. One? Only one? Wow, I would have thought there would have been more. There's only one candy cane on the box. Oh my. And our tea for today, it is a repeat. It is turmeric moringa. And it is 65% moringa, 15% moringa, 10% black pepper, and 10% ginger. This sounds yummy. I love ginger in my tea. And let's go on to our day 17, Southern Skeins. And let's get this one off. And it's quite lovely. It's got blues and reds. Very Americana, if you look at it. It's very pretty. Alright, and then let's go on to our Paw Ply. That just tore right open. And our Paw Ply is Bright Light. Oh my. You know I like this one. Oh, I love that one. That makes me think of the star. And here they are together. Oh my. Very Wonder Woman-esque maybe. Oh. So, here's day 17. I actually like these. These are beautiful. They're going to look great in my sweater. So here these are. And I did promise to show some of my squares. Now, I meant to show them on an earlier day, and I didn't. So I feel all kinds of naughty. So, let me show you some of the squares that I've been working on. And let's pull them out. Now, I only have a few done. And I have another one done, but it's not there. Where did it go? Helps to take the cowl out. I don't know where it went. Oh well. I have another one done. I don't know where it is. Anyway. Oh, here it is. Alright. Here are some of the squares I finished. I know they're more rectangular, but according to the pattern, I'm doing what the pattern said. So here's one. And here's two. They have long ends because it's what I'm going to use to slip stitch them together. There's three. I know I only have 4 done. And here's 4. Here it is. It's blown out. So I have 4 done at the moment. I need to get to work doing a bunch more. Yes, there are long tails, but you're supposed to leave long tails because I have to sew or crochet each of these squares together as I do them. So I'm just hooking them together and keeping them all. And inside my bag I have a bunch of the mini skeins wound up into balls so that I can go on with crocheting. And over here it's filled with the mini skeins from the advents that I need to wind up, and I'll be doing that soon. So please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.